Immaculate 3697. Here we go. 5 times. Let's do this. Whoever's on top at the end will win the angels, so I'm removing the angels from the list. 5 times. Here we go. 1, 2. Whoever's on top wins the angels. 3 in 3697. 4. And 5. Top team winning team is the Reds. Congrats to the Reds. 5 times. Cincinnati Reds. Here we go. Who's got the Reds, Tabby? Justin Ballantyne. Literally got a last team to go. Good luck, everyone. All right, geez, that middle. Look at that middle card. That's thick as hell. To 99, St. Louis, Dylan Carlson, Immaculate 5-jobber. These Immaculate cards are always a little bit thicker, so I like to use the thicker top loaders for them. 99 cards out of 100 will fit fine. One might be a bit looser, but it's way better than 130. For St. Louis. Who's got St. Louis? Carpet Bunner. Congrats. Up next, Legends. Oh, I see why that was thick. For Los Angeles Dodgers, Mike Piazza. For the Dodgers, who's got him? Dodgers with Ashley Quinn. Congratulations, Ashley. A few people have bought into a couple breaks, which helps me out. Next card is sick. Numbered 1 of 5 with a big old Braves patch in it. Rookie patch auto, Ian Anderson. Atlanta, Brian Joe. That's very nice. That's too thick for this. Well, that's going away in a special pile for Brian. What a dog. What a dog. Brian Joe completely dogging all his friends here. That, I don't know what I think about that. I don't know if I like this next card. To 75, Jacoby Jones. For Detroit. I have one request. Tigers with Robert Fisher. I have one request, Mr. Brian, for you to thank me, and that is let me meet your neighbor. He knows what I mean. Up next, to 68, monochrome of Shogo Akiyama for the Cincinnati Reds, who's with Justin Ballantyne. I don't know what I think about this card. Like, I kind of like it, but I kind of hate it. I don't know. Very nice. Shogo Akiyama. I like it. No, I'm going on with I like it. Yeah. And then to 99 for Houston, it's Christian Javier. Yeah, and it was nice as well. Christian Javier for Houston. How can you say immaculate letdown? Houston, Astros, Ryan Elworthy. Congratulations. We're 3 boxes in, and we've hit a Mike Trout 1 of 1. That amazing Atlanta Braves patch.